Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you to everyone who is supporting me in so many positive ways. And I really appreciate how you guys show up for me day in and day out. Even if it might not be a video in which you're interested, you show up and watch that video anyway because you know that it helps me and it helps the channel. So thank you so very much. Today is Super Simple Sunday, and y'all know what that means. We keep it super and we keep it simple. It is going to be a quickie. In a previous video, we made our own sticker and ephemera packs. It was super easy, and it wasn't just a project for me to share. It was a project for me to show you ways that we can create our own stickers and ephemera and then use them in a craft, because that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use this motif on a craft today. Very quick, very easy, and that's why it's today's super simple craft. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so in a recent video, we made these really cute sticker and ephemera packs, and just going to give you a refresher on how they look close up. And in today's Super Simple Sunday craft, I am going to show you how we can take our own homemade stickers and homemade ephemera and turn it into a cute little project, something that we always need. Here is my project pack, and I'm going to pull everything out because I have already cut out my ephemera pieces as well as my word stickers, and I'm going to be using one of my rub-ons. And then I cut out a gold foil tag just using some gold foil paper. And then I have a brightly colored mat that is 3 3/4 by 5 because it's going to make all of that pop. And then I have a card base that is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. Super simple Sunday craft. We're going to take this and turn it into a nice little card. So I have brought in my card base that measures 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and on the 8 1/2 inch side, we are going to score this at 4 1/4. And now we can take it and we're going to fold and burnish. And so we have a really nice card base. And we're going to take our green mat that measures 3 3/4 by 5. I am just going to add some tape, and I'm going to add tape using my tape runner. And I'll take this and I'm just going to hold it up first so that I can get my placement nice and even. And then I'll use my big old spatula to go over that and get it stuck. So you can see I have a nice vibrant background, and that's going to play very well with my black and white that I'm going with here. So I have this piece. I'm going to lay that down like that. Then I'm going to take the hello there. I think I might put that like that. And we'll put this right there. So that's sort of the look that I am going to go for, but I think I might turn it just a little bit. So let's go ahead and place this piece down. And I'm not laying it down so that it's dead center. I want a little bit of that space there. And then I'm going to place down the gold flag. And again, I am just peeling off the back using that double-sided tape. Just makes it easier. And I'm going to place that right there. And now I'm going to take my hello there sticker, do the same thing to peel off that back. And I'm going to take hello there and just place it right there. And then I'm going to take my happiness is sticker. And again, I'll stick down that double stick tape to peel away that backer. It just makes it easier to get that tape backer up. And I am going to take my happiness is and just sort of overlap it right there. I might go back and put something there, not sure yet, but my card is looking really cute because it says happiness is, and then I have my rub on that I'm going to take and put right there. That's why I wanted that space. So the rub-on portion, I am just going to lift away the backer sheet. This is one of those Dollar Tree rub-ons. Or try to get my placement nice and straight. Then I'll use my big old spatula just to go over this until it's stuck. And then I'll use my finger blade to start lifting slowly. And where I don't have it quite stuck, I'll just go over it with my finger. And there. And just like that, we have a really sweet little card that we can give to someone. I think I'm going to add something right there. I'll be right back. So I think what I'm going to use are these little pearls that were gifted to me by AC Moore a while back. I've never used them, and we all know that AC Moore is no longer in business, but this must have been about 2 years ago. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right there so it looks like this flag and this flag are made together. And I love how that looks. And so there, I think that little pop there was all that I needed to add to this, because I think the green background really does help this to pop. And it's a nice little card that you can make to give to a friend. And mine all started with some Project Life cards. I cut them up and I turned them into stickers and pieces of ephemera. You don't have to have Project Life cards. You can use your cut aparts. You can use a favorite page from a paper stack book. Whatever it is you have, you can use that to create your own stickers. But as you can see here, I turned this one and this one into this awesome card. And then I used some of the leftover ephemera that I placed in here. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, super simple Sunday craft where we are taking our own handcrafted stickers and ephemera and then using them to create projects. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.